Hello guys, today we are going to solve another problem with LeetCode. Okay, so the problem number is 35. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. Problem is this: LeetCode 35, search insert position. Okay, so we are going to search the insert position. So here you can see here we have numbers 1, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, so we are going to search target that 5 inside this list or inside this numbers. Okay, so search the insert position. So I'm going to search 5 here. Okay, so I'm going to use searching. Okay, so here you can see these are the step 0, 1, 2, and left start from 0, 0, and 2. Left start from 0. Okay, 0, and this is 2. Okay, so we need to take step 2. Okay, after this right is 3, 3, 3. Okay, because this is our first number, that is left. Okay, at index 0 I have our left. Okay, so that's why left equals to 0 initially, and right is this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So at index 3, what we have our right, that is last element. Okay, so you can say uh, right right is the right equals to length of number. These are the number minus 1. Okay, so 4 is the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Length of numbers 4. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. That is our right. Okay, so initially mid is 0. Number of mid also nothing. Okay, so this is first step, or we can initialize in first. Okay, so first of all, in step 1, left is 0 and right is 3. Okay, so here I'm going to calculate mid. So mid will become 1 plus 0 divided by 2. Okay, so here I got 1. So mid number we can see at index 3, sorry, at index 1 what do we have? So at index 0 I have 1, at index 3, at index 1 I have 3. Okay, so we can check this. 3 is equals to 5. No. 3 is less than 5. Yes, this condition is true. So left will increase by 1 with middle. Okay, so left equals to middle plus 1, so it will become 2 because I have mid equals to 1 here. This is the index. Okay, mid index. So mid index plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so again I am going to increase our step. Okay, so now left equals to 2 and right equals to 3. Okay, so we are going to calculate our mid. So 2 plus 3 means right plus left divided by 2. I got 2. Okay, so mid number is 5. At index 2, what do we have? 5. Okay, so then we can compare this target. 5 is equals to 5. Yes, then it will return true. So we find out our search insert position here. So it is true. Okay, so here I'm going to define code. Okay, so this is the first line. From typing, I'm going to import list, and I use class solution. So define search insert. Here number equals to list integer and target equals to integer. Okay, so these are the numbers in list. Okay, so these are the number inside this in the list, and these are integers. Okay, and target is also integer. Okay, so that is 5. I want output in integer, so that's why I need to write here integer. Okay, so these are the numbers 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 6, and target is 5. Okay, so we will use this line uh, later, so I need to cut it. Okay, and paste here. Okay, so here I'm going to write our code. This is a class and this is the function, and a number and target is a parameters. Okay, so here I'm going to use left. Left is a variable, left, left. Okay, left equals to 0. Okay guys, so here right, what is the right? I'm going to write regt, right. So what is the right? I already said that right is equals to length of number, length of num number minus 1. Okay guys, left right equals to 0, length of numbers minus 1. Okay, so here I have right equals to 0 and length equals to 3. Okay, length of numbers minus 1 means I have 4 elements inside the number, so it's a length. So 4 minus 1, it will become 3. So that's why I put here 3 and left is 0. Okay, now I am going to use loop, while loop. Okay, so while I'm going to check condition, while left is less than equals to right, right, colon. Okay, then I am going to use mid, mid equals to left plus right, right. Okay, while left is less than equals to right, so here left plus right divided by 2. If numbers mid is equals to target, colon, if number of mid is equals to target. Okay, so here I'm going to use columns. So we are going to check this condition. Okay, after calculating mid, so here you can see I calculate mid 0 plus 3 and divided by 2. Okay, so I got 1. So 1 is the index, so we can check at index 1 what we have 3. Here I got 3. Okay, so here I got 3. Okay, so here first of all I need to check this left and this right. So 0 is less than 3, 0 is less than equals to 3. Yes, this condition is true. Okay, so we need to calculate mid. So here 0 plus 3 divided by 2, I got 1. At index 1 what we have 3. I need to check this number 3 is equals to 5. So target is 5 and number of mid. So what is the mid? Mid is at index 1. What I have? 3. So 3 is equals to 5? No, this condition is false. Okay, so if it is true, then we need to return mid. Okay, otherwise this condition is fail. So what I need to do? I need to do execute this condition. Okay, so here number nums number of mid is less than target. Okay, so mid numbers of mid is less than target. Here left is equals to mid plus 1. Okay, so we need to check this condition again. Okay, that this mid number is less than target. Okay, so we need to check this condition here. So our mid number is what? 3. 3 is less than target. Okay, so this condition is true. Okay, so we increase left with mid plus 1. Okay, so what I have in my mid? So 1. I have 1. Okay, so it will become 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay guys, I hope you got it. Mid is 1 here. I am going to add 1. So it will update by 2. So left will become 2 here. Okay, so if these two condition will fail, okay, now it is true, but if these condition will fail, then what I need to do? I need to execute this condition. Okay, so here I increase right, rigst right equals to mid minus 1. Okay guys, so here this condition is true, so we increase our left. in this case. Okay, so left will become mid plus 1, and answer is 2. Left is 2. Okay, so after this, I'm going to return our left. Return left. I am going to print solution dot search. Search insert, this is the function name. Okay guys, so this is the class solution, this one, and this is the function name, this one. Okay, here I'm going to pass numbers. Okay, in list, so numbers is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 or comma, no, and target is 5. Okay guys, I already have this line, I need to delete this. Okay, so guys, every time you need to check. Okay, so again I am going to check this line. Okay, now our left is 2. Okay, I already updated, left is 2 and right is still 3. Again I am going to calculate, I'm going to check this left is less than equals to right. Yes, left is 2 and right is 3. Okay, then we need to calculate mid. So what I have in mid, so here I am going to add 2 plus 3. Okay, left plus right, so 2 plus 3, so I got 2 here. Okay, so what I have at index 2, so I have 5. Okay, so I'm going to okay, I'm going to check this condition. If mid number, that is 5, is equals to target, target is also 5, so that these condition are true. This one, this condition while, and this if condition is true. Okay, then it will return left. Okay, that is 2. We find out our target at index 2, that is 5 equals to 5. Okay, so at index 2 I have 5. Okay guys, if this condition is true, sorry, if this condition is false, then we need to check these conditions. Okay, but our first condition is true, then we don't need to check these two conditions, and it will return the left. Okay, so left is equals to 2. At index 2 I have 5. I hope you got it. This is very easy question. Okay, and answer is 2.